So remember, the question here says we must determine the length of AF. There's AF, this length here, right? So for you to determine that length, you need to choose the right ratio, because remember you have 3. You need to select the right one, and it can only be 1, right? So there's a procedure in selecting the right ratio. For you to select the right ratio, the first thing that you ask yourself is, what am I required to determine? So we are supposed to determine AF, right? So we are going to look at the ratios that have what? AF, which is this one. It has AF, there's AF, and this one, it has AF, right? So we are going to select those two. This one is disqualified already because it does not have AF in it. We cannot use it, right? So we have 2. So we need to just select one. How do we eliminate the other one? We look at what is it that is given to us, right? What are we given? We are given AC, right? We're told that AC is how much? It's 150 millimeters. So we are going to look, of the 2 ratios, we are going to look at the ratio that has what? AC, right? And it's this one. So these 2 are out. We are going to use this ratio here, right? So we are going to use that AE all over EB is equal to AF all over AC, right? And the reason that you're going to use there is line proportional to one side of triangle. And then we just substitute. AE is 2K, AB is 3K, right? How did we get that? This part, AE plus EB, when you add 2 plus 1, it will give you 3, right? So AB will be 3K, right? And then AF, we don't substitute anything there because that's what we want. And then AC, we are told it's 150 millimeters, right? And then when we simplify here, K will cancel K out, and then we'll be left with 2 over 3. And then when we work this one out, what are we going to do? We are going to cross multiply here. Going to multiply 2 by 150. We'll just write it like that. And then when we multiply AF by 3, we'll just write it 3 AF. And then from there, what are we going to do? Because we want AF, we are going to divide by 3 on both sides so that we can be left with AF. And then this, you just click it on your calculator. You get that AF is equal to 100 millimeters. So that's the procedure. That's the strategy in solving these proportionality problems. Thank you.